Hi, it's Chris from the Tri-Quatre Piano Programme, Level 1 Fluency Skills. This is Hands Together. We start with the practice part in the right hand, where we play the note C followed by D. And in the left hand we have C3. We can put those together. The next bar shows beats 3 and 4. Where we have two Ds and a left hand D. We put those together, and then at the end of this line we play the full bar. We're counting 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now this is the most difficult bar in the piece, which is bar 7 near the bottom, where you'll see it says this bar has already been practiced. Now we're going to go from the beginning of the piece, reading each note carefully as we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you find any other parts of this piece difficult, you can practice them in the same way by taking the individual bar out, working on it till you can play it, then putting it back in the piece. Good luck, and I'll see you next time in the next video.